this video, we gotta
make the Easter eggs.
Yeah, let's decorate it together, guys.
Are you ready?
Let's do it. Alright, in our first way to decorate the eggs, we just gotta use stickers.
Yeah.
We have bunny stickers and some this kind of stickers. You can choose wherever you want to. We just decided to choose this one, so let's see. Our second way to decorate the eggs, we will need such any napkins you want, scissors to cut off the character, or we have a little chicken, and also we will need a yolk of an egg, not the yellow one, the other part. That's what we will need. Let's see what we make.
Nice one.
So, our third way to decorate the Easter eggs is we will need the whipped cream.
And the whipped cream.
Yeah, food coloring, any color you want, and eggs. That's it. Let's see what we're making right now. Take an egg, put it inside. Take another egg, put it in, and just let it be in there. Alright, and our fourth way to decorate the eggs, we will paint them. We'll paint them with any paint you want. We will need also a tape to make it the interesting way, brushes, and that's it. Let's see what we're making again. Alright guys, that's it for the video. I hope you like all the ways we use for decorating the eggs. And if you like, just do something the same. And have a good day. Bye bye. Happy Easter everyone.
Happy Easter, everyone.